always has been to the CXOs that you first look at what outcome you really want to drive. Why do you need the data platform? Establishing data platform is a long haul. It takes anywhere between 12 to 18 months to establish a very solid data foundation. Though you can do that in a iteration, but you can call out complete when every data asset of your organization and ecosystem is converted into a unified data architecture. Second is really creating the common understanding about your measurement. Often seen that some of the measures we have our own definitions. So example, revenue realized. Is it a revenue invoice, revenue booked, revenue collected, or is it just the invoices that has already gone out of my mailbox? I should recognize the revenue, right? Uh, unless you define a standardized definition for some of these KPI measures and analytical use cases, it is very difficult for organizations to mobilize the resources in a right direction.
Yeah.
So first, data standardization, common understanding on a data as well as the KPIs. And third one, make your analytics more business process enabled
Oh,
rather
yeah.
than showing dashboard. Create analytical indicators which will blend into your business processes,
Oh,
right? So that the decision making happens onto the indicators, not at looking at the dashboard, right?
mm,
Uh, you will see a lot of business users may not even look at the dashboard when they are taking the decision, right? Unless you integrate that into business process and tell the business user that, okay, this particular patient, this particular customer, this particular banker has this sort of propensities pertaining to your KPIs, right? And then tell them, okay, this is how your business process needs to happen. So this has been the major one. And then I always tell customers, right, and all my CXOs, CDOs, VPO technologies, I always tell them technology comes tertiary.
oh, yeah.
First comes the business outcome that you are driving. Second comes the business user alignment. And then third comes the technology. So really blending all this together, only digital transformation can happen.